Hello, my dear students. You all are welcome to my geography class, and I am here to discuss with you all today about the distribution of minerals in India. Okay, and this topic which I am going to discuss today is from chapter number 7, Minerals and Energy Resources. Okay, so as we know that India is a country where we can find different varieties of minerals, different types of minerals. Okay, and these minerals are mainly found in some particular areas of the country. Okay, so we will be discussing about the distribution of the minerals, okay, about the areas where these mineral resources are found in our country actually. So let us proceed to the discussion. See, as we know that the minerals are mainly classified into metallic and the non-metallic minerals. Okay, so most of the metallic minerals in India, it occurs in the peninsular plateau region in the old crystalline rocks. Most of the metallic minerals of our country, they are mainly found in the peninsular plateau region, okay, where the crystalline rocks are there. Over 97% of the coal reserves, they occur in the valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi and the Godavari. And India is a country which has a huge deposit of coal. Okay, and about 97% of the coal reserves of our country is mainly found in the river valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi and the Godavari river. Okay. Apart from the metallic minerals and the coal reserves, we also have abundant supply of petroleum. Okay, we also have petroleum reserves in our country, and these petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basins of Assam, Gujarat and the Mumbai High region. Okay, this Mumbai High region is actually in the Arabian Sea. It is around 160 kilometers away from the city of Mumbai in the Arabian Sea. Okay, so our country India has a rich diversity, has a rich variety of minerals. We can find different types of metallic minerals such as iron ore, copper, okay, bronze, etc. We have the rich deposit of coal as well as the petroleum reserves are also available in our country. Okay, so most of these resources are mainly found in some particular areas of the country. Okay, and we will be discussing on that. See, new reserves has been located in the Krishna, Godavari and the Kaveri basin, and new reserves of petroleum has been discovered in the Krishna, Godavari and the Kaveri river basin. And most of the major mineral resources, they basically occur to the east of a line linking Mangaluru and Kanpur. Okay, so basically in the eastern part of a imaginary line which connects Mangaluru and Kanpur, we find most of the mineral resources actually. Minerals are generally concentrated in three broad belts in India. Okay, so basically most of the mineral resources of our country can mainly be found in three broad regions. Okay, and there may be some sporadic occurrences here and there in isolated pockets. Okay, and apart from these three major belts, okay, minerals can also be found in scattered in some other areas also, but the major deposits are found only in three particular regions. Okay, so the first region where mineral deposits are found is the northeastern plateau region. The northeastern plateau region is one of the most important region where most of the mineral resources of our country is present actually. Okay, this northeastern plateau region, it covers the Chota Nagpur plateau region. Okay, the Chota Nagpur plateau region of Jharkhand, Orissa plateau, West Bengal and parts of Chhattisgarh. Okay, and in this belt, okay, we can find different varieties of minerals such as the iron ore, coal and all. Okay, and one more important thing about this region is that most of the iron and steel industries, okay, most of the iron and steel industries are located in this region actually, and it has variety of minerals which iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, mica, etc. So in this northeastern plateau region, we basically find rich deposits of iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, mica, etc. Okay, so the northeastern plateau region is one of the region where a rich deposits of minerals are mainly found. Okay, see, basically this northeastern plateau region includes, as I said earlier, the Chota Nagpur plateau region of Jharkhand, Odisha. In West Bengal also, like the Durgapur region, Raniganj region, we can find, okay, the coal reserves and all. Okay, and recently in West Bengal, Ashoknagar is the place where petroleum reserve has been discovered actually. Okay, in Ashoknagar, petroleum reserves has been discovered in West Bengal actually. The next, the southwestern plateau region. The southwestern plateau region is another important region where a major mineral reserves of our country is found. This belt extends over Karnataka, Goa, and the contiguous Tamil Nadu uplands and Kerala. So the southwestern plateau region basically extends in the areas of Karnataka, Goa, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And this southwestern plateau region is rich in the ferrous metals and bauxite. Okay, it is very rich in ferrous and the bauxite minerals. Ferrous minerals such as the iron ore and manganese and bauxite. Okay. It also contains high grade iron ore, manganese and limestone. And in this region we can find the best quality iron ore, manganese and the limestone reserves. Okay. Apart from this, in the southwestern plateau region we can find the lignite coal deposits. Okay, the lignite coal deposits can be found in the southwestern plateau region, which lies in the Neyveli coal reserve actually. This belt does not have a diversified mineral deposits as the northeastern belt. Okay, basically in the northeastern plateau region, different varieties of minerals can be found, but in case of this belt, the southwestern plateau region, we don't find different varieties of minerals. Okay, only few varieties of minerals can be found here, but they are found in an abundant quantity. Kerala has deposit of monazite and thorium, bauxite clay. Goa has iron ore deposit. So basically in Kerala, monazite and thorium can be found. Okay, bauxite can be found. And in Goa, we can find rich deposits of iron ore actually. Okay. So this is what about the second belt of our country where the mineral resources can be found. The next one, the northwestern region. This northwestern region basically covers the northwestern part of our country, and this belt extends along Aravali in Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, and minerals are associated with the Dharwad system of rocks. Okay, so basically in this northwestern region, okay, minerals can be found in the Aravali hills of Rajasthan, some parts of Gujarat and all. Okay, where the rocks they belong to the Dharwad system. Some of the minerals which are found in this northwestern region are the copper, zinc. Okay, and as we know that Rajasthan is rich in building stones, that is the sandstone, granite, marble, etc. can be found in Rajasthan. Apart from this, gypsum and the fuller's earth deposits are also found in Rajasthan. Okay. Dolomite and limestone are the other minerals which can be found in this region, and this dolomite and limestone are the major raw materials used in the cement industry. And petroleum deposits or petroleum reserve is also found in this northwestern region actually. Like in Gujarat, Gujarat is known for its petroleum deposit. Okay. Gujarat and Rajasthan both have rich resources of salt. Okay. Gujarat and Rajasthan has rich sources of salt. We can find salt deposits in Gujarat and Rajasthan as well. Okay. So this is what about the northwestern region. Okay. So these are the three main belts where we find the most of the mineral resources of our country. That is the northeastern plateau region, okay, the southwestern plateau region, okay, and the northwestern region actually. Okay. These are the three major belts where most of the mineral reserves can be found. But apart from this, in the northeastern part of our country, in the hilly areas of the northeastern part of our country also, we find the mineral deposits. Okay. The other areas of mineral deposits, okay, basically include the Himalayan belt. Okay, the Himalayan belt is another mineral belt where copper, lead, zinc, cobalt, and tungsten are known to occur. And this belt they occur on both the eastern and the western part. And these minerals can be found in both the eastern Himalayas as well in the western Himalayas. Okay. Assam Valley has mineral oil deposit, and basically in the eastern Himalayas, okay, we find the deposits of mineral oil, that is petroleum and coal in Assam Valley. Okay. Besides, oil resources are also found in offshore areas near Mumbai coast, Mumbai High region. Apart from this, oil deposits or the petroleum deposits has also been found in the Mumbai High region. Okay, this Mumbai High region is 160 kilometers away from the city of Mumbai in the Arabian Sea, from where, okay, most of the petroleum resources of our country is extracted. Okay. So not only the three major areas, but apart from those three major areas, minerals can also be found in the northeastern Himalayas, and okay, it can be found in the Mumbai High region and all. Okay. So this is what about the distributions of minerals in our country. Okay. So minerals are not equally distributed throughout our country, but they are concentrated only in some particular areas. So basically in the peninsular plateau region, in the northwestern part of our country, okay, in the northeastern part of our country, as well as in the Arabian Sea, the mineral deposits of India occur actually. Okay, so I hope you all are clear about the distribution of mineral resources. So thank you my dear students.